That truck looks like the suspension stiff. It is. Stiffer than I would want. Although that cone, although them wheels.
Well, we're back working on Gary's truck. We want to see if we can get the brakes, steering, and cab off of this thing. We can see what we got to work with under the side of the cab. See if floor pan's any good, cab corners are any good. Oh yeah, that's got it.
You're not on it good either.
Pedometer K. Yeah, there. Somebody zip tied that. Come on now. Yeah. There's zip tied. Yeah, thank you. Put that right there. Got this. It goes on the frame. And got this. Don't need that. Trying to get the cab mount bolts out now. Get the cab off and we'll pull the tanks, see if we can get cell screws. Well, that sounded rusty.
Very much so.
It came out though, so we're good. As long as I don't break. I had one in 55 break. We gotta drill out.
That horse breed, I think. Mama hates it.
They're supposed to. They're
They
supposed
do
to.
hate it. You'll get in trouble with that thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go around blowing it all the time.
Grab 4x4.
What do you think that's?
You can tilt the cat back just a little bit.
I'll get up and kill it. Stick it in there.
Let's go under the arm, put it back here.
A little bit more.
Okay.
Just straight like that.
Yep.
Like this.
Either way, just something to hold it.
Alright.
Yeah, that should be good. Yeah.
We need good doors anyway.
Yeah.
Just tell me when.
Yeah.
What's catching? Oh. How did we not see that?
Yeah.
It went down, ain't it?
Yeah.
Is that a ground strap or what?
No, that's park brake.
He needs them for his 57.
That good?
Yeah.
He wants.
That should be it. Go on up.
Should be good right there, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
It clears everything right there.
Okay.
Frame out.
Well, hold on a second. Remove the camera.
Frame out and then go down there and get the dolly.
Yeah. Okay.
Fuel it.
You cheated. You know that? So you're a cheater.
Smarter, not harder. There goes the clamp.
Well, I guess that proves it wasn't holding much.
Yeah. Oh, this is barely in there.
Huh?
Yeah, this is barely in there. Make you feel better.
What?
It just make you feel better to put that there.
Yeah. Mine's holding good, I know. I got the shit out of it. I'm just trying to pick up these bolts.
Okay.
Yeah. I have to straighten it up. Come my way. Try to put it on this as much as we can.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's why I needed 6x6s.
Space up the back.
Hold on a minute, let me go through my pictures. See how I've got mine sitting right there. We're gonna stick this 6x6 under there. That's good. Two by on here too. Okay. He's down back here.
Down up there. We believe. Yeah, it is. It just straddles it perfect.
Okay, because mine wouldn't.
I'll take these 4x4s out. Put it on down.
Jeez. How the hell did you clamp this?
Tightly.
No, I can't. I mean, seriously. It's against the door. How did you clamp that? Oh,
It must have
it moved.
Oh,
That's good. All right, get on that stuff. All right. Give me a second to step down. All right. One around. Set it up behind the cat. Just sit down.
Where did I pick it up?
We working on getting the floor out now, or carpet, and all 30 of these floor mats.
So we've got the new water pump on Tony's truck. We're getting ready to take it up the road, make sure the shift's good. It was a little dark last night, so we couldn't hardly see anything in the video, but got it running a little better. same thing at real low speeds. It's real twitchy, and then whenever you start about 20 mile an hour, it smooths
Probably the
out.
signal bounces.
Yeah.
Which way?
Either way you want to go.
Any way the wind blows.
Yeah. The more you drive, it'll start smoothing out the way you drive. It'll kind of learn how you drive,
Okay.
so it'll shift better.
It's an oak drive right there.
It won't go into lockup till about 50 or 55 mile an hour.
That looks nice.
Where's that at? About 65?
That's what it says.
It should be accurate because me and Sam, he was watching the GPS and I was turning it down at 55, so it should be dead on the money. As we come down through this road, just nice smooth speed. We turned it down, you could see the needle drop as I was turning it down. There's overdrive, I believe.
That's it.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, it works good. Quarter.
Oh yeah. We'll get out and feel it and see. It may be running cool. That's a 4-core radiator, so it may
That's where that, it might take a little bit to get the
all the air out. Yeah.
Could happen. That's where that Bel Air runs.
Yeah.
You showed me on a quarter of the way on the old original gauge.
Uh huh.
I forget what you said it was. You shot it a few times. 170 maybe or something. It
I
was,
can't remember.
it was good and cheap. It was good and cool. And it was a quarter of the way.
Well, I believe it'll do pretty good. Starts back. I gave it 2 pumps this morning when it was cold and it fired right up.
Was that? Oh. The choke, it released good when you started.
Yeah. Alright, so everything in the shop's going smoothly. Tony came, got his truck. We took it up the road for that test drive, and everything went good on test drive as you saw. So he's going to get some tires put on it, smooth it out a little bit better, and it'll ride really good, I think. So got that done. We got the cab off a 73 truck for Gary. Zach and Gary both stripped down the firewall and got the interior stripped out of it. All but the column and the dash. So we'll get that worked out. Got some rust holes down here, some rocker panels, and some normal stuff. So I'm gonna fix that. Got some speaker holes to fix that, and rest of the floor looks good in the middle and the back. Back of the cab looks really good. Got some studs to shave off for the trim. I'm probably going to do solid color on this truck. Not really sure yet, but cab corners. We got to do the boxes for the mounts, cab mounts. This one isn't too bad, but this one really bad. So got that done today. C10's come along pretty good, my C10. So we got the motor, got it painted over here. I'll show you a video of that real quick. Just threw some Chevy orange on it. I gotta pull the timing cover back off. And once I do that, put the heads on, cam in it, and all that good stuff. So we'll catch you guys later. Thank you for watching.